crazy because he was like, "Hey, Raylan, I seen your post. We have over 50 properties in Southeast Michigan." And I'm like, "What?" From there, it just it just skyrocketed. From there, I kept doing that, repeating that process.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
How do you find those Airbnb jobs? And then also something I always forget to ask everybody who does Airbnbs, how do you price them?
Okay, so I get this question so much, like, how you been getting these jobs? So let me tell you, first things first, the first step that I took was that I knew that wasn't working was contacting Airbnb hosts off of Airbnb. You get flagged. I kept searching, like, how am I able to do this? Like, I don't understand. Facebook, the Facebook groups that are catered to hosts and cleaners. Literally, I'm not even joking, AJ. Like the first post that I made in a Michigan group, I had someone contact me within moments. Right. And this was like, it's crazy because he was like, "Hey, Raylan, I seen your post. We have over 50 properties in Southeast Michigan." And I'm like, "What?" From there, it just skyrocketed. From there, I kept doing that, repeating that process. I had a cleaning company reach out to me. But then when I had contacted Cristobal, he was telling me about this platform. He was telling me about get hooked up with Evolve. Okay. Now, Evolve is literally, I can't say this for everyone because I don't know what areas they cover, but Evolve has literally been giving me, like lately, 1 to 2 hosts a week, literally. So what they're doing is they're managing these Airbnb listings. They make 10% off. I mean, 10% of each booking. But what they do is they're looking for cleaners. So their system is, we're not only going to manage your Airbnb, but we're also going to hook you up with a cleaner and you'll be all set. So they want their host to be successful, right? So I ended up putting an application. I didn't get anything for like months. I put in another one. They contacted me. And what they do is they just introduce you to the host, sending you their contact info. And then from there you go, you see the property, and then you're on. Like they literally have their own platform, and I have 7 hosts alone with just Evolve.
Right. That's what's up. That's what's up.
And it's insane. It's truly insane. I'm like, man, like every video I always say, like, please, you guys get hooked up with Evolve because they're giving you hosts and they don't want anything from it. But another way I'm making money, which I just started, is guest contact services. So guest contact services is basically, if you have a host, they may live in Denver or they may be moving. That's what's been happening frequently. And they need someone if someone gets locked out, they need someone to message the guest before, after, ask for a review, just be available 24/7 just in case there's any emergencies. So just like roadside assistance, we all need it, right? Like AAA, right. You never want to get to that point where like, dang, I knew I should have got AAA. Right. But guest contact services, I've been charging my hosts $110 monthly, which you can do way more than that if you wanted, but reoccurring for my host. I have 2 of them that I'm doing it currently for, but I have a few other hosts that are kind of still in the process of getting their Airbnb together, but that's reoccurring money. Like all I got to do, I'm already on my phone all the time. So it's like, all I got to do is message these guests, and just in case anything were to happen, they contact me.
Right, man. This is, if y'all ain't getting them from this, you must be done for something. You dropping in your gems right here. Look. Hey, look. So other thing too. So how do you price the Airbnbs when you get the opportunity to do one?
So, in the beginning, I didn't know anything about pricing. And when I started working with this host that has over 50 properties, they had their own cleaning list. Cleaning fee. Okay. So each property, they told me the fee. And from there, I kind of just went with it. Did I feel like it was worth it? Yes. And when I got involved with Evolve, I had to give out my own fee. So based off of my experience with the other hosts that already had a fee, that's how I was able to price.
Gotcha.
So say like right now I have a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. I charge him $175.
Gotcha.
If I have like a studio, anywhere from $60 to $75. So really what you need to do is go to the Airbnb platform.
I like that. And I'm tell you why I love that answer is because that's just the truth. Like,
yes,
when you ask people how to charge, right? Especially the new people on YouTube, right? Or the new, yes. Like everybody want to try to, they start stuttering. They want to try to think of this extra philosophical answer. And it's like, if we are honest, I know when I first started pricing, it was just simply based off my experience because I went in under a franchise at the time. And so I said, oh, they charge that for that type of building. I'm just going to charge. So I kind of almost guessing, but based off of my experience though.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it, let's go.